Lock Super Duct Line 3 includes electric material rack, leveling and pressing rib, punching square mouth, punching sharp corner, folding, shearing and bone rolling machine. It can realize cutting and joint angle forming, and improve production efficiency.
It can be used with flange forming machine, flanging machine, etc. It adopts full computer PLC control and touch screen operation, and can set any size for blanking according to the operation requirements. The large processing speed of the production line is 18 meters every minute, and the accuracy is length error about 0.5 millimeters, diagonal error about 0.5 millimeters. The standard cutting rack bears 5 tons, which can be matched according to customer requirements. Lock provides simplified air duct production lines for small and medium-sized air duct processing enterprises and construction enterprises. These equipment can not only be used as a single machine, but also cooperate with other single machines to form a simple air duct production line. The streamlined air duct production line is not only suitable for small air duct processing plants, but also can be directly brought to the construction site.
It is simple and easy to learn.
It only needs one person to operate and saves labor.